Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to crop video in OBS Studio 2024. So let's go to the OBS first. Now you have to click on the source option, this plus icon. Click on plus and choose media source. Click on OK and now click on browse and select the video from your computer which you want to crop. Click on open and the video will be added here. Click on OK. Now if you want to crop this video, you can do it in two ways. The first way is you can do it with the mouse. Okay, you can do it with the mouse directly, and then if you want to resize it any other ways, you have to do the second option. Right click on the video and you'll find here transform. In transform you have to click on edit transform. Click on edit transform, and in here crop left, right, top, bottom, you can add your cropping points. Okay, like this. You can crop like this, right, left. Now if you click on close, you can see that your video has been cropped. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.